So the next recipe I'm going to share with you guys, it's more on potatoes. But the whole dish we're going to do is steak and fries that you can find in any French restaurant and any bistro. First of all, get russet potatoes. Cut them into sticks about 1 cm thick. Soak them in water for at least 20 minutes to an hour because you want all the water to be absorbed by potato. So when you cook them, they puff up a little bit. You almost get a mashed potato texture in the fries when it's done. Pre-cook them in oil at about 150 degrees, and this is just to cook the potatoes, so you don't want color on it, you just want it to be cooked through. How do you tell when it's done? Usually about 5 to 7 minutes and it's good. You'll see that the potato is turning pale. So once it's done, take it out, put it on a tray and dry it and cool it down. That's very important because you want to get that crust outside of the potato fry, so you can get a really nice crispy texture when you fry it again at the end. Fry your fries again in 180 degrees hot oil and just fry it until it's golden brown, until it's crispy, and then once it's done, put it in a bowl, season with salt and pepper, and you're good to go. So what am I serving this with? Is beef steak and some asparagus. Season your beef, put a little bit of oil, and then you sear it on one side and the other side. So I have a tepan here, I can cook everything in one go. So I can serve everything almost at the same time, so nothing on my plate is cold. I like that because if I'm going to cook for myself, I must have the best. And if you're going to cook for someone else, you want the best for them as well. No hard and fast rule for timing, but the first sear is really important. On the side, I'm going to have some asparagus as well. And once we are getting the first coloration, just put some water and seasoning and cover it up. I'm going to serve this with some yellow mustard. I don't really need a sauce with beef steak because I think the beef steak is juicy enough when it's cooked right. So here it is, steak frites, steak and fries which are homemade. Enjoy.